Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna give you how you can pronounce R sounds, means R sound in French, because many people and students have facing problem about to pronounce R sound in French because it's very hard to pronounce it. Or sometimes it's different in speaking, or sometimes it's a different verb in French like R. Je parle en français. J'habite froid, avez-vous rencontré? J'ai étudié faire des mots and it's hard pronunciation word in French because many students facing problem about pronounce it and but I'm gonna give you the whole pronunciation of er verb. Now here you can see some more regular verbs which comprise 90% of all French verbs are follows. And this is the important part because you have to practice your verb sounds. Er. Now, when you practice this verb sound, then you can pronounce these sentences in French, like parler, danser, érotra, démontrer, jure, habiter, trouver, visiter, signer, accepter, adorer, braver, couper, parler, chanchefon, imprunter, goûter, montrer. Hope you guys listen it carefully and practice your verb sounds, which is easy. Then you can like spell it like r, r, and now join it r. And you have to practice this, then you can pronounce all the French words and 90% of all of your French you can pronunciate it. So thank you so much for watching my video. Au revoir, à demain, see you tomorrow.